we discussed this idea that mostly there are three kind of companies that are hiring. One, those are building AGI or building models for AGI. That's the operating system of AI. These models can't do much on their own. That's like an operating system. Or you can think of maybe hardware or processor. Let's call it the processor. I'm just going to use the analogy of computers because it's easy to understand. So these companies are building models. Which are the companies here? Can somebody give me names? Just unmute and say your names. You need not to raise your hand. Models builders building the processors of this new age. AGI or processor builders.
OpenAI,
Anthropic.
OpenAI, Anthropic. Perplexity is not building models, but let's call it
Meta,
Anthropic, Meta.
Google.
One more.
Okay.
Yeah, Google. Great. I think these are the
Grok.
main leading players. And then you can call Mistral, DeepSeek. DeepSeek, I forgot the company name. That's the model name. But these are other players also. Cohere, Grok, XAI. That's the ecosystem of these companies. They look generally what they are looking for in their roles. We'll come to that. So that's one place. So if you run the same analogy, then these are the people who are building the processor. These models are not really good. They need something called an operating system. These are the companies which are saying we are building agents or providing you frameworks to build agents or the operating system. Which are these companies? These are the tools providers or
AWS,
platform. Great. AWS says that, hey, we have this agents for Bedrock.
Azure, Microsoft, and Google as well.
Yeah, so
Salesforce.
Azure Foundry, AI Foundry says that, hey, we will provide you tools for prompting, evaluations, agent building.
N8N.
Salesforce, agent builder, agent force
Langflow,
from
LangChain.
Salesforce.
Yeah,
Langflow, LangChain.
late node.
Great. All of you are awesome. Okay, we got it. That's it. Okay, then companies which are saying that, hey, we are building actual solving problems and we are building agents, right? And that's in this world. If you look at this, these processors are the models, operating system is the agent frameworks or tools. Then this is where your applications like Facebook and all. And for that world, we are building domain specific agents. Can somebody give me examples of those? That's what consumer use.
ServiceNow.
Yeah, Agentic, ServiceNow, Salesforce.
Cursor.
Harvey.
Salesforce doesn't give you Harvey.
Windsurf Cursor.
Give me some SDR. Yeah, Cursor.
Gamma.
Good. And I can go on and on. This is the largest, biggest list. And if you look at the job market, that's where the $1 billion, what we looked at, the unicorns and the early stage startups all are here. And that's where most of the jobs are, like 10,000 jobs are here. I'm just putting some numbers, right? And then here you have like 2,000 jobs, and here you will have like 200 or so jobs. Why? Because this is like a research world. They need more program managers than engineers. Of course, OpenAI is everywhere these days. So OpenAI also need people to GTM, and I'm just taking that away. If you just need to be hired in their research team, they don't need a lot of product managers. When you go here, you need product managers, but these are developer facing product managers. But if you go here, they have to figure out a lot of things. They have to figure out what market to play, which customers to target, which products to go after, do GTM, and the more they hire, the more they get to customers. And there are a lot of competition. And then I listed down what each companies are looking for that you can read later in the deck.